Makadini kwese kwamuri. In this lesson toda kurevisa matrices. Takubva ku book 3, New General Mathematics book 3, tichienda ku New General Mathematics book 4. Kureva kuti before we embark on this transition, tofunga kutanga tarevisa zvatakaita ku book 3, that is form 3, kuti tizo understanda zvatofunga kuita ku book 4, that is form 4. Saka we are going to look firstly at addition and subtraction, then tozotarisa multiplication. But before we get into the lesson, may you please join the family by subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting, also following Maitabasa. Saka in order for us to understand what we have to do per revision inoi, we are not going to waste much time. Tichatomanya, tichipinda muma practice questions. So the first practice question is going to be like this. That is the practice question we want to look at. If A is equal to that matrix, which is a 3 by 2 matrix, and B is equal to that 3 by 2 matrix, we have to find A plus B, then part B, A minus B, and lastly part C, 3A. Saka panapa, before we get into the question, may you please consider subscribing, following, liking, commenting, and sharing. Tineweka sei question hiyo. Taudzwa kuti A iri equal to 310 minus 204. Taudzwa zvakare kuti B iri equal to minus 5, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 0. So tinoiweka sei. Sekudiscussa kwatakaita in our earlier lessons. Toda kutanga ne part A iri kuti A plus B. Takataura kuti ma matrix akwanise kuedana kana kusubtractana, anofanirwa ari of the same order. So when we look at A, and knowing kuti the order of a matrix, we say row by column. That is how we quote the order of a matrix, row by column. Saka tikatarisa A, tunaona kuti we have 3 rows, because my rows are ngari horizontal. Saka the first row, the second row, and the third row. 3 rows. And when it comes to columns, tine 1, 2 columns. Then we go kuna B, we also see kuti we have 3 rows, 1, 2, 3, and for columns 1, 2. Those are nazo. Saka because A na B are of the same order, zoreva kuti we can either add or subtract them. So let us do like that. Tiri pano A Indian and 310 minus 204. This is added to what? B Indian minus 5, 2 minus 1, 230, like that. After taona kuti we can add because both A and B they are of the same order, then what we have to do is apply correspondency. Correspondency, tinongo edda zvinhu zviri kumecha kana kuti zviri at the same position. Saka 3 iyo inenge yakuti chi 3 plus minus 5, like that. Then 1 inenge 1 plus 2. Saka 3 na minus 5 zviri kuconnectwa ne addition, 1 na 2, then apo it's 0 plus minus 1, like that. Then toya kunoku it's minus 2 plus 2, 0 plus 3, and 4 plus 0, like that. And this is equal to what? Tikasanganisa plus na minus inova minus. Saka panapa we have 3 minus 5, which is minus 2, 1 plus 2 ndi 3, and plus na minus 1, it's minus 1. Minus 2 plus 2 ndi 0, 0 plus 3 ndi 3, and 4 plus 0 ndi 4. Like that. As we can also see, the answer we get after adding or subtracting matrices should be of the common order. Kureva kuti since A na B are ma 3 by 2 matrices, answer yatawana should also be a 3 by 2 matrices, which we can attest by the answer we've got. So that is how we have to do A. Let us see how we do B. So takuda kuita B. But B yakati kudini? B yakati A minus B. So let us see kuti A minus B yakamira sei. A minus B. We have seen kuti A na B are all, cannot they are both 3 by 2 matrices. Kureva kuti we can subtract them. A ndian, A ndi 310 minus 204. Like that. Subtracting B ndian the minus 5, 2 minus 1, 2, 3, 0, like that. Saka ngatidile nayo tuone. This is going to be equal to. We now apply correspondency. Saka it's 3 minus minus 5. 3 uyu na minus 5 so connect wana minus. And please nyora makada iso. Kana ma minus achisangana isa ma brackets. Then panapa inenge yabachi 1 minus 2. Apo is 0 minus minus 1. Like that. Then tikawaya panapa it's minus 2 minus 2. Apo it's 0 minus 3. Then apo it's 4 minus 0. Taita chaizo chaizo ere. Minus 2 correct. 0 minus 3 correct. 4 minus 0 also correct. So this is equal to, panosangana ma minus, pano ita positive, kurauti is 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 minus 2 ndi minus 1. Minus times minus 1 ndi 1. Minus 2 minus 2 ndi 0. 0 minus 3 ndi minus 3. 4 minus 0, that is 4. Like that. So ndo answer yatinowana kana ta subtractor. If we go to C, C yakati kudini? C iri kuda kuti tsvage 3A. Saka kuti 3A and zviri kureva kuti 3 multiplying an A ndiani ndi 310 minus 204. So zvatakataura pa scalar multiplication. Takataura tichiti the scalar inopinda mukati mema brackets and multiplies every element inside the matrix brackets. Kureva kuti this is equal to todaiso 3 times 3, 3 times 1, 3 times 0. Then panapa it's 3 times minus 2, 3 times 0, and 3 times 4. Like that. Then tadaro, this is equal to what? Tikati 3 times 3 ndi 9, 3 times 1 ndi 3, 3 times 0 ndi 0, 3 times minus 2 ndi minus 6, 3 times 0 ndi 0, 3 times 4, 4, 8, tkoruf. Like that. Zvinenge zvatobuda izvi. Saka pano ndoda kukusiyira task. Nekuti I have taught in the first lesson kuti kana chiti 3A zvakafanana nekuti A plus A plus A. So ndokuda kuti mundiwanirewo 3A asi muchiedda 310 minus 204 plus 310 minus 204 plus 310 minus 204. this is going to be your task. Answer yamunowana inofanirwa kunge yakafanana this answer. Ikasiyana ikafanana, kana muine zvamuda kukomenda, the comments are always ready for you, and also my direct numbers are always ready for you. So before we conclude this lesson, we have certain things we want to emphasize. So we have demonstrated kuti a plus b zvakafanana nekuti b plus a. We've demonstrated that. And also, I also want to give you another task. Task yandoda kukupai panapa ndeyekuti ndikuda kuti mundiwanirewo minus b plus a. Munzondiratidza kuti a minus b yakafanana here na minus b plus a. Kuda kuti task yenyu ndeyekucalculate minus b plus a, taking note kuti minus unoyu, it is the scalar minus 1. So minus b plus a, answer yenyu inobuda here iri ishi. Those ndoda kuti munditirewo pa this task. Then you can also take this as a task. Inoi kuti muone kuti a plus b yakafanana here na b plus a. Kuda kuti munoweka b plus a, muona kuti answer yenyu munoireducer to this here. That is also going to be your task. So we have revised in this question addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices, and scalar multiplication. Let us call this a day. Any questions? Kuma comments or my direct numbers. Thank you. So takuda kuita panapa basali 1. Takuda kuenda ku next practice question yedu, to practice and revise other concepts we learned kuma matrices. This is our practice question. Before we get into it, my sincere plea is that please subscribe, follow, like, share and comment so that we can grow. Question yedu iri kuti if m is equal to that 2 by 2 matrix and n is equal to that 2 by 2 matrix, find the matrix products of m times n, then b, n times m, and finally c, m squared. Saka c is going to be new, because from our previous lessons, tanga tisina kumboita ma powers ema matrices. But before we go anywhere, I want to remind you kuti we have learned that mn is not equal to nm. So this is just a reminder. Answer yatichawana pana mn inofanirwa kunge yakasiyana kune answer yatinowana pana nm. Saka ma matrices apa ndo pari kusiyana nema contemporary numbers. Ma numbers are ordinary. We know that there is an interchangeability nature to multiplication. Kureva kuti a times b is equal to b times a. But kuma matrix, it does not work like that. So let us look at a, m, n. What we have to consider panapa is, we said when we are multiplying matrices, tinenge tichiti row by column, cannot row times column. But ma rows tikumatora from our first matrix, dokwatotora ma rows. Then ma columns tikumatora from our second matrix. Kwatinotora ma rows, we have to count the number of columns. Then kwatinotora ma columns, we count the number of rows. The number of columns from the first matrix should be the same as the number of rows from the second matrix, kuti tikwanise kumultiply ma matrices. Saka pano manje, what are we saying? M ndiani ndi minus 2, 4, 3, 5. Like that. Multiplying ko n ndiani ndi 6, minus 1 0 2 like that. Tikatarisa matrix yedu yekutanga tine ma columns mangani 1 2. Totarisa matrix yedu inoi tine ma rows mangani 1 2. Saka because the number of columns in the first matrix yafanana ni the number of rows in the second matrix, we are good to go. We have also learned kuti we can predetermine the order of the product. How do we do that? Matrix yedu yekutanga, it's a square matrix. It's a 2 by 2 matrix multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix. What it means is answer yetofunga kuwana panapa should be a 2 by 2 matrix. So let us go with our calculation and see what becomes of it. So here it's equal to, as we have dramatized, ndinotokurudzirai kuisa arrow inoi row by column like this. Ma arrows ayanokuuchidzai kuti zvichafamba sei. Saka tichada iso tichati minus 2 multiplying 6 like that plus 4 inoi multiplying minus 1 like that. Saka minus 2 multiply 6, 4 multiply minus 1. Then using this row takuno shandisa this column kurauti yavachi minus 2 multiplying 0 plus 4 multiplying 2 like that. Then tapedza need this row takuenda pasasi 3 multiplying 6 plus 5 multiplying minus 1. Then pa column inoi 3 multiplying 0 plus 5 multiplying 2 like that one. So this is going to be equal to what? Saka kana musina kuunderstanda panapa because I'm feeling kuti ndapamhanya. Kana musina kunyatsopa understanda, we have other lessons which we have taught, especially the lesson we taught the multiplication of matrices, the general multiplication of matrices. You learn in depth kuti taita sei. But in essence, basically, it's just row by column. So kana takuita panapa, it's going to be minus 12 minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4, then apa it's 6 12 18 minus 5. Panapa it's 0 plus 8. Then up it's also 0 plus 10. And this is equal to what? This is equal to 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, minus 16, 8 apple. Then panapa is 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct, it's 13 apple 10. This is our final answer. So just to prove this, let us do NM. And we already know kuti haifanani na MN. So kana takuda kuita B tinoda kumultiplya NM. Saka N ndiani? N ndi 6 minus 1 0 2 and M ndiani? Ndi minus 2 3 4 5. They are both 2 by 2 square matrices. Correct, the number of columns in the first matrix is of the same number as those of rows, as that of rows in the next matrix. So what will become of this? Row by column, row by column. Saka tikuti panapa 6 multiplying minus 2 plus 0 multiplying 3. Then takwenda column inoi 6 multiplying 4 plus 0 multiplying 5. Then panapa takuti minus 1 multiplying minus 2 plus 2 multiplying 3. And takuti minus 1 multiplying 4 plus 2 multiplying 5. Like that. and this will be equal to what? 6 times minus 20 minus 12 plus 0 from 0 times 3. Then panapa it's 2 plus 6. Apo 6 to 12 18. 6 to 12 18. 24. So it's 24 plus 0 panapa. Then minus 1 times 4, that's minus 4 plus 10. Like that. This is equal to minus 12 apple, 6, 7, 8, 24 apple, then apple it's 6, minus 4 plus 10. Zvakafanana nokuti 10 minus 4. So kana imimi muchida munogona ku rearrange panapa kureva kuti pamunosvika pa this stage munogona kuzowedzera stage inoi yekungoti 0 minus 12 apo inoramba iri 2 plus 6 apo iramba iri 24 plus 0 apo muzongoti 10 minus 4. Then mabva muzonanga apa. You are allowed. Remember takati there are no marks for bravery, and we don't have extra credit for bravery. Saka mushonga ndowekuti do anything that gets you marks. And like what Curtis Jackson said, 50 Cent, not too many. That is his alias, stage name. There's a saying from 50 Cent, get rich or die trying. You understand? Saka the goal pa methods is get the marks. But if you fail to get the marks, die trying to get the marks. Saka you really have to be extra careful. Kana paine chinhu chamufanga kuavoida to the death, avoid arithmetic errors. Musaita mistakes ekumultiply, kuadd, kusubtract kana kudivide. Azvitarisirwe kumunhu anodzidzisa maths kuita mistakes akadaro. Onge ariko, but ngaatova mistakes anoitika once in a blue moon. Maanzwisisa. Saka panapa, as you can see, tikada kukombea ma answers apa. Answer yatawana from MN d minus 16, 13, 8, 10. Answer yatawana from NM d minus 12, 8, 24, 6. Chakangofanana panapa, it's the order, which is a 2 by 2 square matrix. Dokufanana kwega kuripo. Okay, let us go kwekupedzisira. Our question went on to ask m squared. So ngatitei m squared. Saka m ndiani? M d minus 2, 3, 4, 5 and that is minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Ndiyo m. Saka turikuti m is equal to this. But isusu tiri kuda ku calculator m squared. Saka m squared ingeri equal to chi. Ingeri equal to minus 2, 3, 4, 5 minus 2, 3, 4, 5. Dokuti m squared. M multiplying itself. Kureva kuti it's minus 2, 3, 4, 5 times minus 2, 3, 4, 5. So tichibva pano ma arrows edu row by column, like that. Saka in your examination munozvita nepenzo izvi, just to remind yourself. So this is equal to, it's minus 2 multiplying minus 2 plus 4 multiplying 3, and then we have minus 2 multiplying 4 plus 4 multiplying 5, like this. Then 3 multiplying minus 2 plus 5 multiplying 3, and 3 multiplying 4 plus 5 multiplying 5. So kana mazvijaira muchapisira makwanisa kuzviita fast nekungotarisa. Saka minus 2 multiply minus 2, 4 each multiply 3, okay. Minus 3 multiply 4, 4 each multiply 5, okay. 3 multiply minus 2 and 5 multiply 3 okay, and 3 multiply 4 and 5 multiply 5 okay. Mema to confirm out my touch. So this is now equal to minus 2 times minus 2 and 4 plus 4 8 12 panapa. Then up it's minus 6 plus 15. Then up it's minus 8 plus 20. Then up it's 12 plus 25. And making sure that the multiply is really correct. Correct, our final answer there is going to be what? 4 plus 12, 16. Minus 6 plus 15, 9. Then minus 8 plus 20, this is 12. 12 plus 25, 5, 6, 7, 37. Data chef up. 4 no 5, 6, correct. Then panapa it's 15 minus 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then toverenga zvikumwe zvinotoitwa chero maguita meets at PhD level. Azvinyadzise 8, 9, 10, correct. Then up of course 5, 6, 7 and 3, correct. This is our final answer. Saka task yenyu zvakare lesson rakazara a litany of tasks. Task yenyu ndeyekuti nditsvagirewo n squared. N squared mutiudze kuti inofamba sei. Maanswers amunenge mawana munouya nawo kuma comments, munouya nawo on my direct lines. So before we conclude this lesson, we have said everything we wanted to say. Just to reiterate, mn as equal to nm, it's row by column. Marows edu tunomatora from the first matrix, ma columns from the second, and this is a way of predetermining the order of the product. Kureva order ye answer yedu. Kana mine ma questions kuma comments kana kuti on my direct numbers. We have done our practice questions and I think they have served you well. Takuda kuti tikupe an exercise by which you are going to prove kuti manzwisisa ere ma concepts atanga tichiita. So stay tuned. So that is going to be your exercise. It's more like an assignment because inenge yakakura. You have to take it from exercise 13a. Tavamu New General Mathematics 4, chapter 13. 1a, C na F, 2b na F, 3a na C, then number 4, then lastly 5a and F. Thank you for your attention, thank you for your patience, and thank you for your attentiveness. I hope you have learned something from this lesson. Take care.